In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a specialized profile on Upwork. Whether you've been considering streamlining your Upwork presence or simply want to remove an older profile that doesn't align with your current offerings, we've got you covered. Let's dive into the process step by step to ensure you navigate the platform smoothly. To begin, make sure you are logged into your Upwork account. Head over to the Upwork homepage. It's where you'll find the navigation starting point for this process. Once you're on the homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice your profile picture or avatar. Go ahead and click on it. This action will bring up a drop-down menu with various options regarding your account settings. Now, within this menu, you'll want to select your profile. This selection leads you to a page where all the details about your professional offerings on Upwork are displayed. Here is also where your specialized profiles are housed, making it the next logical step in our guide. As the page loads, look for profile settings. Selecting this will guide you deeper into the customization settings of your account. It's from this area that you can manage various aspects of how your profile is perceived by potential clients on the platform. Moving on, within the profile settings section, you'll find a part dedicated to your specialized profiles. Here you'll see each of your specialized profiles listed. Take a moment to identify and choose the specific specialized profile you intend to delete. This step is critical to ensure only the intended profile is affected. Next up, once you have the specialized profile in sight, look for the small three-dot icon typically found alongside profile settings. By clicking on this icon, additional settings will appear. The menu that unfolds is where you're going to find the option to delete the specialized profile. Now, you should see the delete option within this extended menu. Click on delete, and the system will prompt you to confirm your choice, helping avoid any accidental removal. It's a reassurance step to keep your Upwork modifications intentional and accurate. Finally, to finalize the process, you'll need to click delete once more when the confirmation prompt appears. And there you go. The specialized profile is now permanently removed from your Upwork account. It's as straightforward as that. Deleting an unused or outdated specialized profile can help keep your Upwork account streamlined and relevant to your current freelance offerings. Keep this guide handy for the next time you rethink your profile. And remember, staying organized online helps in attracting the right clients to your services. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, happy freelancing on Upwork.